Welcome back to B-Spice. In this session, we'll continue with hookup drawing, wherein we'll focus on integral orifice. So this is the look and feel of the integral orifice. As you know, friends, this integral orifice is normally, we deploy this for pipe less than 2 inch, right? So for the smaller lines. And also, most of the manufacturer, they offer integral orifice without any, upstream, downstream requirements. So that is also I want to put forth here. Specifically, if you say 1195 MSN model and 1330L ABB, they offer without any requirement for upstream. But of course, some other manufacturer, they offer with minimum straight length, minimal straight length, right? Okay. So with that note, I will take you through the hookup drawing. Yes. So this is the look and feel of the hookup drawing. So we'll go one by one, friends. So I'll just start with number one. So number one is integral orifice assembly, this guy, right? The complete assembly. Okay, as you can see here. Yeah, maybe I'll go to the pointer. Pointer is not here. Anyway, never mind. So this is your integral orifice assembly. And number two, mating flange, gasket, nut and bolt. Number two. Where is that number two here? This guy. So this is, piping scope. So this complete assembly is instrument scope in my case actually. Okay. Sometimes, the piping will provide this, will only do this integral orifice. But in my case, this complete assembly, the complete assembly is instrument scope. Okay. So that's about that. As you can see here, friends, this is integral orifice, right? This is the instrument scope. Then this guy, matting flange, gasket, nut bolt, everything. This is a piping scope. Okay. Number two. Then we have a number three. That is again manifold actually, right? That is again instrument scope actually. Okay. Then DP type flow meter. So this is number four, DP type. Okay. Then we have number five, cable gland, and number six is a signal cable. So this is about the integral orifice assembly basically. Okay. But friends, in some cases, it may not be possible to mount this here on the line. Okay. So for that scenario, we have one more hookup. I will go through that. But before that, I wanted to inform you. You may be asking why this upstream you have indicated. Yes, because I just want to, put forth, as I said earlier, model 1195 MSN and 1330 ABB, they offer integral orifice without any straight line requirement. But some manufacturer, they insist, minimal. So for that, what we have to do, the integral orifice, sorry, not this. Yeah, the maximum pipe length of the assembly should be installed at the upstream side. So we have to give as much as possible, friends, on the upstream side. So that is the point. Okay. Or if you don't have that requirement, you go with the model what I specify. Okay. So that's about the what do you call the integral orifice. Okay. And of course, some notes also we'll see. Integral orifice plate should be installed in horizontal position, and for liquid service, tapping shall be from the side of the process line. Okay, that is another point. And of course, integral orifice assembly shall always be filled with process fluid. Okay. So then I'll go into the other scenario, integral orifice plate assembly with impulse tubing. Wherever when it's not possible to mount this transmitter on the line. So this is the solution actually. Again here, this is your pipe, and again the piping scope. The complete assembly is instrument scope. The complete assembly. Okay, the pipe, the integral assembly, everything, integral orifice. So number one, yes, again it's a process pipe. Then number two, this is the integral orifice plate with assembly. Okay, so the process pipe is piping scope, remaining all instrument scope. Then we have a flow transmitter here, number three. Then number four is a barrel type nipple. this guy, right? Then we have a number 5 isolation valve, right? Ball type isolation valve, often in JNPT female. Then number 6, this one is compression fitting actually. This guy, this one, all these. Then we have number 7, seamless steel tube, that is impulse piping. Then we have a number 8, this is a manifold, okay. Then number 9 is a cable gland, number 10 is a signal cable, then of course 11 is a stanchion, and the last but not the least, number 12, this is the matting, flange, gasket, nut, bolt, everything. So this all by instrument actually. Okay, you got it, friends? So that's all I have for this session. So next session I will focus on other topics. There are many more actually. If you look at this diagram, you have this, like orifice, restriction orifice, and restriction orifice plate assembly, and you have a rotometer. So many things are there. So let's see how it goes, because last video itself not much of response actually. So let's see how it goes. Then yeah, if not much of response, then I'll go with some other topic actually. Okay. So yeah, that's it I have. Thanks again for all your support. Keep supporting. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.